So hello girly pops, I'm back to my YouTube channel. So today's video would be on summer makeup routine. So as it is already April now and we are already facing hot humid summer, so our makeup really needs to be lightweight and it should not feel cakey. That's the worst part. And so today I'll be just doing that glossy, dewy but lightweight makeup. So more than matte, I love a glossy makeup, so I would rather go for that. So since I am going out in an evening and I would be traveling, I would be facing sun, so I am anyways putting up a lot of sunscreen. I have already prepped my skin. Beauty of joseon sunscreen. I have already mentioned in my last posted video that how much miracle is this sunscreen. So it is really lightweight. It is highly recommended for this hot summer. And every I think every 3 to 4 hours you can reapply this sunscreen. And after putting a lot of sunscreen and keeping my skin protected, I'm just moving um okay, this Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. It contains SPF 25 also, so it is really what you can say, it's a holy grail for this hot humid summer. It is expensive, but if you save like 17 bucks, so you can just add it to your so you can just buy it from your savings. It's a little one. Know what I'm trying to say? so anyways, so I am just taking a small amount, putting on my face. Then I'm using this Swiss Beauty foundation brush, and you can just use your finger also to dab it, but I'm not good with that. So
2 hours later.
brush, I barely feel on my skin whenever I wear this. 9 Niacinamide Glow Blush. So I think that's a new product that Sugar has introduced to us, and it is really good for the girlies that needs glowy makeup. Glowy. It contains niacinamide also, that is really good for your skin anyways. So why not two in one, right? So I'm just applying 2 dots here, and beauty blush brush. You can see that glow. Know if I have some blush blindness, blush to my face, then I would be moving to the next step, that would be using a concealer. I prefer using the concealer after using the blush, because I don't know uh, because I don't know literally, but I like it that way. So I am using this Forever 52 Daily Life Professional Complete Coverage Concealer. So the shade I would of course be mentioning in the description box below, but I don't know how to like only. So I think I would be blending using my fingers only. And how beautiful. Be putting some illuminizer, that is from K Beauty. K Beauty is serving great products. Okay, the products that are really worth it. Illuminizer is in the shade Champagne, and I would be attaching the link anyways. So moving forward, I'm taking this much only. Putting on my high points. because I would be out in evening, so I think I need that glowy look also. And of course I'm putting a little bit on my nose. While blending this illuminizer, I would like to share one thing that I have discovered lately. So guys, you know, there are some people that would secretly copy you but not admire you, right? You can relate, right? So I have discovered a lot of people. I don't know, I'm not bragging that people are copying me or anything, but you know, they are not at all appreciating my style or anything, but they are just copying, and they are not doing in a right way also. So I don't know if you guys find this thing relatable. Or blending my liquid luminizer, this glow guy, applying more highlighter for that glowy look. That so my mascara is from L'Oreal, and it's Lash Paradise Hydrofuge. I don't know if I spelled right way. So just applying in my upper lashes, and I think that mascara literally opens your eyes. uh, Without mascara I feel that I am like I just woke up. But don't forget to cover your lower lashes. I'm using this lip whip, that's really lightweight lipstick. It's a matte lipstick only in a bold shade, but so I have just blended this lipstick all over my lips because I was not having any other shade right now, but I think this looks fine. And I usually wear nude and brown shades only, or else if I'm not having any gloss, then I'm only applying this Foxtale lip balm. Guys, I think this is it for today's look, and natural waves and the glowy look for the evening, and we are good to go. So let me know if I'm doing anything wrong, or suggest me. I'm already open to all your ideas, and I would love to like apply in my further coming videos. So this was summer makeup routine for that dewy look, and it really feels nothing over my skin. Bet you would thank me for recommending such great products. Every product I use personally in my daily routine, so I don't think that you would regret buying all of these products. I would be mentioning all the links in the description box below. You can just refer. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.